Hey everyone, it's Nick from the Fabella team. One of the things that I wanted to talk about today is templates. Now we have a series of templates that you can use in order to jumpstart your project. So let's go ahead and take a look. I'm just going to create one called My First Story. And now, as you see here, we have examples. You can have interactive story, random facts, or a quiz. And this is how you would kickstart your project. So I'm going to select interactive story. Now, if I would have selected blank project, I would just have the start node, the say node, and the end node. So let's go ahead and click OK. Now what this is going to do is it's actually going to have this entire interactive story laid out for you, right? And you can go in, you could change some stuff. But essentially what this is for is it's a template to kind of show you what's capable, what the capabilities of Fabella is. So if you zoom in right here, you see how you have your start project, you have a story introduction, the narrator talks, Captain Bernard talks, and then you're faced with a choice. Do you go to the bridge or do you look at the picture? Well, if you look at the picture, you look at the picture of your wife, dream about being in the Pacific Ocean, and then it takes you back up to that say node again, where you have a choice of going to the bridge or looking at the picture. And then if you go to the bridge, it keeps going with the story flow. And then again, you can either ask a question or sit. And if you sit, it branches off again, or it continues to go with the story, and then it branches off with different paths, okay? Like which enemy ship do you want to target, the first, second, or third? And then based on that, and based on these certain conditions, these modified states, 1, 2, or 3, the story will continue to move forward, which will finally lead you to the end. Take a deep breath. You did it. The trade route will be free of those pirates, or you targeted the third corvette and launched a torpedo. The torpedo missed, and you were both within range. I think I actually ended up on this one because I selected the first or the third. But anyhow, as you can see, this is all a template or inspiration on how to use the platform itself. So let's go back, because I want to build another one real quick, and I want to show you what a fact skill would look like inside of Fabella. We'll call it cat facts. And as you can see here, we have an introduction. Welcome to Cat Facts. Would you like to hear a random fact? Yes or no? No. It just shuts the project down. The narrator says bye, and then it ends. But if you say yes, it takes you up to a random number generator, and then a switch, and then here are your facts. And then if you want to hear another one, it goes ahead and asks you again, yes or no. And then after the fact is said, it asks you if you'd like to hear another one. And if you say yes, it gives you another one. If you say no, it closes out of the project. So this is another simple way in order to jumpstart your project. If you wanted to create your own FAQ for maybe a website, or you'd be able to use this template in order to disseminate information to people if they had a need for that. So the final template that I want to talk about is the quiz template. So we have my first story, we have cat facts, and we're going to have quiz. I'll select quiz. And here you go. So as you can see here, we have 3 questions. We also have a note down here that says add more questions to continue the chain if you wanted to have a series of questions. But as we start out, we see that there is a modified state, and this variable is called incorrect. This variable is called correct, and the values are set at 0 because the quiz hasn't started yet. And then the narrator says, welcome to the video game quiz, and then we use our ungrouping function to see what the question looks like. So the narrator comes on and says, what year did the Nintendo Entertainment System get released? 99, 2000, or 83. If they select 83, it goes to correct, and then it +1 on the correct variable. So it gives them a point. If they say 99 or 2000, it would give them a +1 in the incorrect category. So I will regroup those. And then as we go down questions 1, 2, and 3, the default narrator will say, the quiz is over. You got this many right and this many incorrect. Thanks for playing. And as you can see, this is how you would extract those variables. And that pretty much sums up the templates that are available for you to kickstart your project in Fabella. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out by reporting a problem or giving feedback down in the lower corner of the screen. Thank you very much, and have a great day.